Today I'm going to share with you an edible cookie dough recipe. Now this edible cookie dough recipe is an eggless cookie dough recipe. You may have most of these ingredients in your home. How about it? Let's get cooking. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, this gives it a nice molasses taste, 1.5 tablespoons of butter that's softened at room temperature, a pinch of baking soda and a pinch of salt to the large bowl, 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 to 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet, but feel free at home to use what you like. You can get creative with this recipe. You could use Heath bar, toasted coconut, raisins, cranberries, butterscotch chips, or even some almonds. Add 4 tablespoons of white all-purpose flour. Now start to mash this together. If you want, you can actually use your fingers as well just to bring it all together. I like to give it a mixing, then add a tablespoon of water, and this really helps the dough form together, and you'll see as it comes into a nice ball, it's going to have the texture of your favorite cookie dough. I like to use a cookie scoop to give an individual portion. There you have it. Always remember, keep it simple. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. See you soon.